Alright, so same ordeal as last time. We've got our log right here. This is pretty dense wood. It's not fully dry. It's been like 10 degrees for the past few days, so it's probably fairly frozen. Just like last time, I'm going to be drilling some pilot holes just because those larger lags just spin in place forever. So it's the only reason why. And we're going to start off with some 5/16 inch lag bolts. These are 5 inches long. Then we're going to move up to 1/2 inch, also 5 inches long. And then I'll be pretty impressed if it can drive this. If this one gets driven in, we're going to move on to, I believe these are 8 inches long, 1/2 inch also. I'm kind of dumb and I forgot to test this with the 1/4 inch collet. So I don't know, maybe in the future I'll buy another one of these just to see how they compare. But I guess for now we can just drive some lags and see how it does. I've been kind of busy, that's why I haven't posted a video in the last couple weeks. But I did actually use this guy to do the front suspension on a Volvo a few days ago, and it actually worked pretty darn good. Cool thing about this is I don't have to use these adapters anymore. These things are super notorious for breaking, so it's just super nice not having to use it. And I don't know if I showed you guys, but it also has the hex insert, so you can always use your regular bits if you want to as well. So it's kind of nice. Alright, fully charged battery, speed 3, if you guys can see. 13 mil socket, impact rated. 5/16 lag bolt, 5 inches long. Let's see how it does. Let's go right here. Well, we broke the lag. Let's see how the 1/2 inch lag does. Let's try this back here. Alright, let's ready, set, go. Alright, so seems that's all she's got. Let's give it a little more, see what happens. Yep. Alright, so there is no way it's gonna drive this, but I mean I have it here, so might as well try it. Let's see how it does. Go. I wasn't really expecting massive power gains. This was more so for convenience. It's kind of nice having the 1/2 inch anvil over the 1/4 inch collet. And it actually works pretty darn good. Like I said, I used this guy to replace the entire front suspension on a Volvo this past weekend, and it worked really darn good. It was super useful. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. See ya.